Now ready for the one Ipa Pasa Pasa. I'm kidding. It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Rapper Lil Durk is facing life in prison for a murder-for-hire plot that killed Quando Rondo's cousin. The bullets were actually meant for Quando. However, Quando is now saying that the issues between them could have been resolved through music. Too late now though. Ellie said no to the Balenciaga boots he was wearing while performing recently. He asked a dancer to remove the boots because they were too heavy and he couldn't manage. Ellie is always keeping it real, right? Him say, image is everything, but right now I need a break. Grammy nominations are out, and we have The Wailers, Shensia, the music from the One Love movie, Collie Buddz, and Vybz Kartel. Big up to all nominees. I can't wait to see who wins. Haiti, you're going too bad. Shooting after commercial airlines, why? And finally holding the spot this week, Sting must go on, says Leng. He says nothing will deter it and has announced a part of his lineup which includes Tommy Lee. It sounded as if he asked Kartel to pass through because Sting is an integral part of his career. It's gonna be an interesting December. But that's it from us here tonight. If there's anything you think should make the list, slide into our DMs at TVJ Intense. Up next, Dina Crazy talks comedy and music. Intense forward.